Muthuriti mugathe President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ni mundu ukoragwo tikite muno nginya ki mabũrũri. Yes. And no wonder he's very traveled. Yes. A president
he commands respect.
Tremendous respect. Athiagite mabũrũri no kuona uria aranyitwo ũgeni ri to mũgeni no he andu mũgeni angĩũka tondu ni oka ri mũigwe ni kwanjia gũtũmanwo iria na mũgate uyu ni akwathagathagĩirwo mutanye na muharĩrĩrie no nake ri atongoria bũrũri arĩa anyitĩte ũgeni haha thingira wa iregi ri manyitagwo ũgeni na njĩra ũyũ ya mwanya
nĩ kĩhĩri
nĩ ũroni athiĩte bũrũri wa Tanzania gũcera kũrĩa gĩcagi kwa Magufuli rĩu arĩtie araicera atĩrĩa gĩ state na nĩkĩo gũtararĩ na mũtaratara ũrĩa wa makombora 21 yes araigĩirwo gadi ĩho ĩtagwo silent guard ri marugamaga ũũ rwere rwa ndege makoya mĩtũma na igũrũ ũguo mũkahĩtũka nĩ tondũ nĩ personal visit tondũ Magufuli araugire nilikuandiko katika mapumziko au nĩ ndĩramenyire president nĩ athiĩ arifu arathi kwa chatu gĩcagi yes
no arifu ndĩgĩtangathagwo
rĩu mũtibikirwo
ndiratangĩrĩrwo
rĩu ũrĩa ndaeria kuga rĩ nĩ mũthuri tũtĩithagia nginya nja wa bũrũri na ũndũ ũcio kĩrĩ mwega
mũno
na kiumia tũrorete rĩ nĩ aratanywo gwĩkinyia kũrĩa Kingston Jamaica. Yeah man monane na rĩrĩ the most honorable Prime Minister Andrew Holness wehoka rĩtamũka no nĩ Holns
Which is the Prime Minister of Jamaica?
The most honorable. Yes.
The right honorable.
Makiara neriora oguo. No, I can just imagine ishera riri. You see, Jamaica is not your average country. The culture o mata muno. Yes. Na rĩu uru nĩ ũcio. Nĩ akinya rĩu airport ya Kingston Jamaica. Akihigura murango wa ndege uguo niwe wahigura boom shakalaka the president has come boom Kenyatta come and welcome Jamaica boom shakalaka me office here now hey skylark like this Mr. President like this Kenyatta welcome Baba Juomo Yeman Babangina, me I see you. Come on, let me see. Wagwan. Reuni akinya hau the reuni Prime Minister amwira. You're welcome. Welcome to Jamaica, Kingston, the land of Bob Marley. Mighty culture alongside Glenn Washington. Boom. Let me do for you a quick introduction of the cabinet. He must be the Minister for Finance, you know. Boom. I hear you have to take us to jail. I hear you have to take us to court, you know. I was not go to court him here. See eye to him. Akagota. Magwan jamani magwan. Tunashukuru. Tunashukuru jamani wagwan. Imafi be the Minister for Foreign Affairs. Wagwan President me have to come there sometime. Me have to do foreign things. And let me introduce you to your ambassador. This have to be the ambassador for Jamaica, Kenya. Yes, we have to treat him so well, you know. Ask him. Jamani unaendeleaje? Yule kumbuli yake. Okay, jamani, I would like to introduce my people as well. This is CS Foreign. We have Finuoha. Madam Monica Juma Honorable. We know you. Boom. Welcome Jamaica.
Asante.
Welcome aboard, you know. We have to be repatriating for the United States of Africa. Yeah, man. We have to say, Africa has to be united. Yeah, man. Kenyatta. Miga. Shakalaka boom boom. Let me ask you a question, Kenyatta. Where have to be the big man Moses Kuria? Mani Kuria hatukuweza kuja naye. Oh man, if I be cool person, mo. Kuria himself. Them call him Jamba.
Kangata.
Kangata 021. Senator. Boom. Where the person them call Waititi? Wewe jamani. Kuna tumaneno huko.
Za kinyumbani.
We have to like it. Where is DJ Pasweri? And big Alufa man. Did you come with him, Mr. President? And when you are talking about Bob Marley Museum, when you call Bob Marley Museum, Bob Marley was an international icon.
He is an icon.
This is the place where them sing the Three Little Birds. When we create red dog, you shake it on his own. Now you have to look like a Rasta man. Same as the Imperial Majesty of Selassie, J. Rastafari. Yeah, man. How do you go say when you're like cabinet? Hey, meeting time.
And you go present that you push out before people.
Hey, selector. Why you bring something called bring me your cup? Who you be 40? For the honorable president. Come bring the UB40 now. Hey, what are you doing, Prince? Prince, you're a full minister, man. Bring this selector. You man, if you play something for the president, play something. Him come from Kenya, the land of Kenyatta, and him Kenyatta. Play it for him. Mr. President, this one is for you. Wagwan, what you have to say about it? Jamani, hiyo nzuri. Jamani, nashukuru. Selector, Lego. We want to do an exchange program. We want our artists, the reggae artists, to do songs with John D. Matthew. We want them big collabos between people like Morgan here, Vitajan Samido. And Joyce wa mama. We like it when them say them like it in Jamaica. Welcome aboard Jamaica. Now we'll take you to Montego Bay. Jamani, nashukuru kwa makaribisho hayo. You feel welcome, sir. Welcome to Jamaica. And we have to give you a nice album to be listening in your helicopter as you fly around. I don't know what my minister may come. Hey, Mr. President, this is my mix. My mix. This is my new mix, 2019, brand new. Feelings on fire.